the city, we got more snow. There's my snowball. Look at the snow on the roof. This is unbelievable. Let me go take a walk down the store. Oh, look at the back stairs and snow. You ever see so much snow? We got a big blizzard coming this week again. And look at the backyard. Look at my stairs. I have to clean the snow off later. Look at the backyard. My cousin just cleaned off the cars. Look at the icicles on the house. Some of them are dripping a little bit and melting, but... Andy, still out here shoveling?
Every day, Richard.
Every day? This is too much work. We got another blizzard coming this week, I hear.
Tuesday.
Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this snow mountain. Hello, my friend, today. Did you, get that working?
Oh, a lot of work, man. A lot of work.
You should try a blow dryer on it. Next time. A blow dryer.
Yeah, I guess I gotta do that sometime.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hey! Come and help me, man.
Look at the snow.
Hey, guys, I need help.
Look at the Lincoln Continental across the street. All snowed in. Hardly a place to park. We gotta get out here and walk. Oh, it's crazy. That's unbelievable. This guy wants to get around me. Let's go see what my house looks like. Let's go see what my house looks like. There's my house. So across the street. Cousin's clearing away. So let me go take a walk down the street. This is like being in Greenland or something. And Alaska. You gotta be careful walking on the streets here. Hey, there's a car coming now right behind me. Down here. They're flying. They like to fly. Hey there, look at the schoolyard. Somebody plowed it out. It only means there's going to be school tomorrow. Oh, just got a little water in my sneakers. I'm walking with sneakers on. There's Grafton Street Grammar School. You want to see a big truck. Look at this. You want to see a big truck. Snowed in. I don't know how many times this guy has shoveled out this truck for his business, and he's going to have to do it again. Looks like Adalberto's truck in Ituaçu, Bahia, Brazil, that he moves his coffee on back there. This guy moves all his supplies on there. Look at this. He's got his driveway cleared out. A lot of snow. Let's go over to Grafton Street. Oh, let's go over to Grafton Street, which is a main street in Worcester, Mass. Got another car coming behind me. Well, the street's cleared at least. It's wet, not slippery. George's Bakery. You can't even see the sign on the building. Look at that. It's full of snow. George's Bakery over there too, where he makes all his stuff. Look at the snowbank. You can't even see up the sidewalk. And we got more coming Tuesday. Alright? Let me go down Grafton Street. Let me go down here. Gonna go down to Cumberland Farms, cash in my $20 ticket. I won my $20 back. I'm due for $10 million soon. They cleared this schoolyard out real good. Look at that. February 16th. The last snow we had was yesterday, February 15th. We had a few inches. It's just added to the snow that we've gotten this month. It's a record. This is our record winter. Cars buried. They don't even shovel them out. They're very impatient. That snow is hard as a rock. Look at it. It's as hard as a rock. Okay? Oh, that's pretty soft here. But you get down here and it's harder. It's like ice. Boy. Well, we're going past the famous Diamond Inn. Look at Menden Street. Isn't that something? Look at this. I can't even walk by the sidewalk. They pushed all the snow here. I'll probably get hit by a car. Look at this. I have to walk in the street. They're right next to me. People getting their gas, paying $3.33 for a gallon. People going in the store. Let me shut this off here right now. I'm going to be going in the store.